I'm here today to give you an update on Rune. We're going to be breaking this down from a market structure perspective, a technical analysis perspective, and also we're going to be doing some insane, crazy price predictions if you were going to hold this asset for the next 6 to 12 months. Really crazy stuff here. So let's get deep down and dirty into this chart, and you can see that the high that we have just broken here, just set here for Rune, was actually back on the 13th of March. From that point, let's talk market structure, guys, because market structure determines the strength of the trend and whether the trend is essentially still valid. And the points that I'm referring to here, guys, are higher lows, okay? And the most recent confirmed higher low for this asset is, unfortunately for you Rune holders, I am one as well, but unfortunately it is actually all the way down around $3.56. This does tell us that there is room for price fluctuation here of around 52%. Just quickly, guys, I want to talk to you about a free cryptocurrency webinar that I'm hosting every single day. In this webinar, it basically shows you a simple 5-step strategy on how you can build a 5-figure a month income in as little as 42 days. Everyone that attends this webinar will get access to a new strategy worth $250 and also $300 worth of mindset training as well. If that interests you, link is in the description. Also, link is in the top side of the screen just up there as well. If you want to get involved with that, just click there. But for now, back to the video. Yes, 52% could be on the cards to the downside, but hey, even if we do come down to $3.60, $3.57, these areas here, it's absolutely fine. We're still in this, still in a bull market, still a nice uptrend here. It's just because we hit such a parabolic motion here for Rune, and we haven't actually confirmed a new higher low just yet. Now, the unconfirmed higher low, let's talk about that, because if we do break the most recent high, then essentially the unconfirmed higher low is going to be sat at around $6.97, okay, which is going to be great, but unfortunately it's not confirmed just yet. So it's definitely something we really need to take into consideration here when we do break that high, because that is going to be the new level for us to be looking out for there. Let's talk Fibonacci retracement from this most recent high. Yes, it's valid data and it looks pretty good. You can see the 0.236, you can see the 0.382 is holding us up for support, but I want to see a bit more momentum here, guys. You can see previous momentum from this level was strong. We're not seeing that, guys. We're not seeing that. Usually we can expect half, and you can see 28% to the upside, and we saw around an 8% move to the upside. So basically momentum is falling quite rapidly for this asset, which is a bearish sign, and it does indicate downwards price for this asset, right? And you can see also after seeing this pullback, we are breaking lows again. So maybe we see a little bit more of a move to the upside of around 40 cents, 34 cents to around $8 a coin, and then probably a bit more continuation to the downside. The real point that I'm looking out for there, which does bring me onto a potential buying zone here for Rune, which if you're looking for an entry on this asset, this is what you want to be looking out for here, not that trend line, but the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, guys. We usually bounce quite aggressively off this area. You can also see it's tied in really cleanly with this trend line. You can see momentum from this trend line previously was only 114%, guys. So really huge momentum from that area. So we can expect roughly around a 50% move for that. We usually go for half, but just be aware that it could be anywhere 20, 25, 50% from that zone. So yeah, massive move from that area, tying in with a 0.5 Fibonacci retracement as well. So yeah, just be prepared for that. Looking pretty good overall here from a market structure standpoint. And chart pattern wise, guys, not really that much to go on, as it's only 2 levels of support right now, and currently it's not really holding that well. It is going to be a falling wedge chart pattern. Falling wedges tend to usually break to said upside, and that's the wrong key. You can see the measure move for that currently stands something along the lines of this. Now, again, this is a huge measure move. It is a greedy measure move. I'm not saying we're going to bang 30% here from $8.15 up to around $10.52. I think that's a bit too crazy, but there is a potential move there, maybe up to the Fibonacci there if we do see a nice breakout worth around 8% there. Now let's get onto a price prediction for the next 6 to 12 months for this asset. If you were to buy from that buy zone that I just did, not suggest, but I'm going to be buying this zone, right? Buying more of this zone anyway. Around $6.12, $6.48. Very key area. Fibonacci retrace, massive momentum here from that zone. So yeah, definitely a point to be looking out for there. That's going to be a buy zone. Let's look at previous all-time highs for Rune for a nice bias to see what we could be looking out for there. You can see all-time highs here for Rune currently stands at around $18.40. Okay, $18.40. So if we are going to be doing a price range from where we're currently at, let's do it from the buy zone. Okay, let's do it from the buy zone, and that's going to be up to around $18.40. It's going to be around a 3x on your investment, guys. So very, very bullish from that point. If we do see that really, really clean, I really think we will see that for Rune. Currently seeing Rune at a market cap of $2. Market cap of $2.50. No, $2.55 billion market cap for Rune. So I really do think this is a serious contender in the next bull market, guys. This will be a blue chip sort of crypto altcoin here. So I would expect all-time highs to be smashed and new ones to be set. Okay, so yeah, just be aware for that. And in terms of a little target there for, I mean, it's not meaning to do it, but that Fibonacci is actually giving a really nice trend line there for us to be looking out for there for resistance at around 13 cents as well there, guys. So THORChain or Rune, I mean, same thing, right? Yeah, Rune's just the ticker. THORChain is the name. Rune is a ticker, THORChain is the name. But yeah, overall, looking really, really bullish for this asset. And price target is going to be around $18, 3x on your investment. But again, as I said, I would expect higher than that. So maybe just to be conservative, $20 a coin, around a 3.2x on your investment from this zone. But yeah, that's going to be it from me in terms of a nice Rune update. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you think about Rune as well. And if you like the video, guys, smash a like on it. And if you are new to the channel, drop a sub, drop a notification bell, and you're never going to miss one of my altcoin uploads. I'm uploading like 15 times a week at the moment, guys. So yeah, make sure you never miss one of my uploads by pressing the subscribe button. But yeah, that's going to be it from me. Hope you enjoyed the update. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.